Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin created a global investment frenzy, creating multi-millionaires in just 1 minute and blown out portfolios the next. While plenty of wannabe investors still trade crypto, a more fundamental technology underpins the blockchain. It promises to become the database for our digital economy. To find out more, I'm joined now by the Australian's technology editor, David Swan. David, good to see you. So I understand you got caught up in the Bitcoin investment craze like a whole lot of other people.
Yeah, I did, Peter, and I go into it a little bit on the podcast. It was about 2015, and I was gifted about $20 worth of Bitcoin to buy pizza with, just to test out the technology. I didn't buy the pizza, I didn't get around to it, and a couple of years later, that $20 was worth about 20 grand. It's not worth nearly that much now, but I kind of rode the boom and bust like a few other people did as well.
Why did it become so massive, given a lot of the cryptocurrencies traded had no inherent purpose?
I think it's like a lot of things we're seeing now with the stock market, for example, stocks like Afterpay or Tesla. We have people who just want quick value without really understanding the underlying technology. And a lot of people just bought in hoping to make a quick buck without really understanding, I guess, the fundamentals.
In your podcast, you're looking at blockchain, technology underlying cryptocurrencies, but what is blockchain and why is it so important?
So I think people get a bit intimidated when they hear blockchain because they don't know what it is, but it's really pretty simple. It's an immutable public record, which means that it can be used for things like smart property contracts or to verify that a bottle of wine is really where it says it comes from. Immutable means that it can't be edited. So it's a public verifiable record, and it's used for things underpinning our digital economy. And I think we've got some comments for an IBM executive to help explain.
Blockchain is being used very effectively nowadays as a foundational technology that can bring a new level of trust and transparency to platforms and applications where different companies, typically untrusting relationships, are engaging in the sharing of data or workflows together. With Ligon, we have helped digitize the bank guarantee process, a historically very paper-based process with exchange of data and information on paper between multiple parties across a business ecosystem. In Ligon, we've used blockchain to create that foundational layer to enable banks and beneficiaries and applicants to share in a workflow together with a level of trust and transparency that simply hasn't been possible previously.
So yeah, as you can see, blockchain has some real potential and some real business applications far beyond just Bitcoin, whose moment has, I think, kind of come and gone.
Hang on a sec. So right now, Bitcoin is worth 14,500 Australian dollars. So that $20 might still be worth something, David.
I should probably have a look.
Go and have a look. I reckon you should go and have a look. All right, David, appreciate it. Thanks for coming on. For more on blockchain technology from David and the team, check out the /podcast. It's available now in the Australian mobile app or any podcast player.